Namaskar friends, welcome to Presha Yoga and I am Presha. Today we will learn a kind of pranayama which is called as Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. It is also known as alternate nostril breathing. Let's dive into it right away. So for this pranayama, we are going to begin in a seated position. You can see I'm seated down on the mat. You can use a bolster or a pillow under your seat, a cushion under your seat to elevate your hips. Before we start the pranayama and learn about it as to how do we do it, just to talk a little bit about it, this kind of pranayama, you can do it in the morning or you can do it early in the evening, and it is great for you because it eliminates mental fog, and it also brings a sense of clarity. It opens up the lungs, so it improves the lung capacity and to breathe better. And it also balances the body. The body contains both the masculine and the feminine energy, so it balances us. And thus it centers us. If we are have been feeling stressed or overthinking too many things, then this is a great way to just center your energy, to bring a sense of balance in you and to find calm. So for this pranayama, also known as alternate nostril breathing pranayama, we are going to be breathing in through one nostril and then breathing out through the other. We use a mudra for this. So we're going to begin with the mudra with the right hand, and you're going to close the first two fingers. So the pointer finger and the middle finger is going to be, we're going to bend it, keeping the thumb, ring finger and the pinky finger extended. Then let's begin right away by plugging your right nostril gently with your thumb. So plug it, and then obviously you can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, and then inhale through your left nostril. Then you're going to plug your left nostril and you're going to exhale through your right nostril. And again, inhale through your right nostril. Then plug it and exhale through your left nostril. Like so. So this is how you practice it. And let's just do a few cycles of this pranayama together. And before we practice a few cycles, let's actually take a few breaths in and out through both the nostrils before we dive into it. So again, finding ourselves in that seated position, let's first close the eyes. And obviously make sure that you're sitting up tall and your shoulders are relaxed and softened, your jaw and your forehead. And then take a big, nice inhale through your nose. And actually take a big sigh through your mouth. Empty out. Then seal your lips and inhale through your nose. And exhale through your nose. And you can also use your Ujjayi breath, so Ujjayi pranayama here. You want to know more about that, you can see it on the link above. So just let's take 3 Ujjayi breaths here, okay? So nice big inhale. Exhale. And so this is audible breathing. It's like a sound of ha, but with your mouth shut. So inhale. And then let's start with Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. So closing the first two fingers, index finger and the middle finger. And we're going to plug the right nostril with the thumb. Inhale through the left. Plug the left nostril, exhale through the right. Inhale through right. Plug, exhale through left. Inhale left. Plug, exhale right. Inhale right. Plug, exhale left. Inhale left. Plug, exhale right. Inhale right. Plug, exhale left. Inhale left. Plug, exhale right. Inhale right. Plug, exhale left. Inhale left. Plug, exhale right. Inhale right. Plug, exhale left. Then release the hand. And let's sit in silence for a few breaths. And we are just observing the breath, observing the body, observing a deep sense of calm after that pranayama. And then slowly opening your eyes. And you can obviously close this practice. If you want to take Shavasana, you can take Shavasana. You can meditate and stay seated in a meditative pose for a longer duration. Just to come back to this pranayama again, to make it more clear, we're just making sure that this is the mudra and we are plugging the right nostril with the thumb while we are inhaling through the left nostril. Then we are plugging the left nostril with the ring finger. Some people also like to plug it with the pinky finger, but traditionally it's with the ring finger, and I'm more comfortable with the ring finger. So this is what is happening. We are plugging the nostrils with the thumb and the ring finger. Again, hoping that this was clear to you, and just come back to this video anytime you want to practice Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. You can do 10, 20 cycles, whatever makes you feel good, and hoping that this gives you a sense of calm and peace. You have a nice day, friends. I'm going to see you again soon. Take care. Namaskar.